So guys, you're welcome to my stream. Today we're going to be trading the NFP live, and it's going to be fun. I can assure you that, as usual. So guys, you're welcome. If you're just joining us, you're welcome to my stream. You're welcome to my stream, guys. So today we're going to be trading the NFP live, and if you're just joining us, I want to welcome you to my stream. So this is Millionaires FX. If you are new here, you're you're welcome. This is the finest trading platform anywhere in the world, guys. So if you're just joining us, you're welcome. I want to appreciate you for coming. So let us I want to load up more charts while we get ready for the NFP. So it's about an hour from the NFP. So if you're just joining us, I'm setting up the chart. We do the analysis together. Then we kill these trades together. So if you're just joining us, you're welcome. So we'll do the analysis together and then we'll kill this trade together, guys. So just stay ready, guys. If you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX. It's your finest trading platform in the whole world, guys. You can take that to the bank. I said so. So what are we doing today? Today we are going to trade NFP live, and then we're going to find those opportunities to kill this market. If you're just joining us, would like to get your opinion as to what you think is going to happen on NFP. What do you think is going to happen, guys? Just tell us your opinion on the comment section. Do you think we are going to see some bearish movement or bullish movement? Where do you think? What's your opinion and why? Do not forget to put the most important answer, why. To answer the most important question, why do you think it's going to happen like that? Why do you think that's, well, it's going to happen? Tell us what you think and tell us why you think so, why you think it's going to happen. If you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX, your finest trading platform in the whole world, and today we're going to trade NFP live. Last NFP, it was awesome, guys. We did 4 pairs together. We traded 4 pairs, and we smashed all of them in profit, in crazy profit. Today, I promise you, it's going to be explosive. Trust me. Today, I promise you, it's going to be explosive. So I'm going to take a minute to set up the charts perfectly. I'm going to do my multi-time frame analysis. I'm going to look at the market holistically, and then I'm going to give you my thoughts as to what I think is going to happen. Oh, my friend Elham, where have you been? Where have you been? This platform have missed you, Elham. I always trade with Elham every single day, but then all of a sudden, I couldn't find Elham anymore. What happened, bro? Are you okay? Is everything alright with you? Is everything alright, bro? Is everything alright? Tell us, tell us, tell us, tell us. If everything is fine, tell us. I'm glad you're okay. I'm glad you can join us today. That's great. I feel good that you can actually join us. Seriously, I feel good. So today, what are we gonna expect on this market? What are we expecting? Can you tell us what you think is gonna happen on this chart today? What is your thoughts? What do you think is gonna happen and why? Do not forget to tell us why. I miss you all. Also, I've been busy with work and family. Oh, that's cool. I feel great that you can actually be able to join us. I hope family is fine. I hope work is fine. I'm glad you can join us today. Now I'm rested and refreshed. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. I feel great that we have you back strong. I feel great. I feel great, guys. Elham is back and better. That's the good thing. So, like today, as usual, we're going to be doing a lot of pips today again, the same way we did it last time. We are going to be doing it again today. So that's why I'm taking my time to look at this chart. They are all set up nicely. They are all set up the same way, guys. This market is set up the same way. So they are all set up the same way. So now we are going to see what's going to happen in this market. Are we going to see some bullish or bearish move? Tell us your thoughts. Tell us what you think is going to happen. Tell us what you think. I'm risk on. I'm bullish, but maybe retest down, a fake out, then big pump. Wow. Wow, that's Elham. Elham is giving us his thought. Okay, this was maybe first markups, so two more markup, markup side. Okay, that's what he thinks is gonna happen in this market, guys. Elham is saying that he is bullish. What what is your own thought? What do you think is gonna happen? Tell us what you think is gonna happen. Tell us what you think is gonna happen and why do you think it's gonna happen that way. Tell us what you think. Elham is bullish to the upside. What else do you think is gonna happen? Who else have an opinion? Tell us what you think is gonna happen. Okay, I like the fact that you think is bullish. Okay, we'll see. Just in a matter of time, in a short time, we're gonna find out if we are really, if you're right or wrong. So, but you didn't tell us the why. I like to get that why. It makes me happy. If you tell us the why, it makes more sense. It makes me more happier. Okay, okay. You didn't tell us the why. I like that why. You didn't give us the why. Why you think it's bullish? Why do you think it's bullish? But it's okay. That's his thoughts. It could be right. I'm beginning to think that maybe he's right, but the market is going to tell us in a short time. This okay. USD looks really weak. Okay. So let us pull up the currency strength meter and see. Okay, the USD is kind of weak. Oh, Elham is very informed, bro. You're very informed. The USD is kind of weak, but we don't know what's gonna happen during the news. But from what I'm seeing right now, bro, you're right. The USD is flat, weak, flat, weak, very weak. So, and if that in that means that there's a high possibility that we can get some very bullish move in this market today because of the weakness of the USD. That's very possible. That's very likely. 10-year yield treasury has inverted also, which means the market makers are also risk on. Wow. Okay. Makes so much sense. Makes so much sense. I really missed you, Elham. I really missed you being here and trading with me live. Seriously, it's fun. It's fun. I really look out to see you when I'm trading. I like it when you give me your perspective in the market. It's so cool. When you give me your perspective in the market, it really is so cool. So so there's a high possibility that we're going to see some bullish move in this market. I had some bullish positions opened. I had to close it this afternoon, earlier this afternoon. I had to close it because um, I had to close it because if I don't close it, I didn't know the direction the news is going. I've learned not to mess with this news. I've learned not to mess with these market makers. I like to allow them to do their thing, especially during the NFP like this. I like to be very careful with them. I like to be very careful. So there's a high possibility that we can see some bullish moves in this market. However, I always like to trade with confirmation. If I don't get my confirmation, then I do not want to trade. I do not want to be the first person in the market. I have my bias, like you said. Putting everything together. The way this market is set up, they are all set up in the how do you call it? All of them, they are all set up uh, in the way this market is set up. They are all set up. they're all at the resistance right now, at the daily resistance right now. And because of that there's a high possibility that it could actually we could actually see some kind of yeah, I wonder if it moves on the news or on New York Open. Maybe we wait for the New York Open more safe. No, I think it's going to move on the news. The NFP is an explosive news event that whenever it comes, it's always usually explosive. It's not the kind of news that usually have weak impact. No, I do not think so. I do not think so. I do not think so. I do not think I believe that it's gonna move. I believe it's gonna move. I do not think he's gonna play around. No, he's gonna move. I think he's gonna move. I believe he's gonna move. I believe he's gonna move. However, but don't you think that there's a possibility that this market might try to do some a bit of correction before continuing? Have you thought about that possibility? Might from all this bullish move, or maybe this consolidation is enough correction and then it can just continue like that to the upside, because when the market trend like this, they usually like to do it quickly as possible to get to their destination as quickly as possible. So when the market trends, so of course, the end point is profit. All we know is that we're going to walk away from this market profitable. That's all I know. That's one thing I can assure you. We're definitely going to walk away in profit. That's one thing I can assure you. But then we are going to trade it with confirmation. You know how we roll. We're going to trade it with confirmation. So let's be let's be um let's be you know let's stay ready. I lost my Discord account, bro. I can't find my Discord account. I can't find my Discord account. I can't gain access to it. I had to create a new one. That's why most of the group, they are not here, because I lost my Discord account. I couldn't get it back. It's so annoying. But what can we do? I lost my Yeah, it's possible to fake out down trap shorts OFC. Yeah, of course. They could actually do it, because when they begin to trend like that and trend and trend and trend, at the last minute they will just shock everybody. They want to trick everybody to begin to buy and buy and buy, and before you know it's happening, you see that explosion to the opposite side, guys. It can happen. You know how this thing roll. You know how they do, or they might go to the downside first of all, stop on people first of all before the move begins. So what we know is that we're going to be patient, we are going to wait, and then we are going to make money at the end of the day. That's what I know. Okay, you used oh, I see. Okay, I lost the Discord account, and it's so annoying, because we have a lot of people in that Discord account. The group is so big, a lot of people are there, and now they're all they cannot be able to. Although I dropped the link there, but some of them, they might not know what's happening. I dropped the link to the new Discord account, so I don't know. I hope they can be able to see it and join. I prefer Telegram actually, but a lot of people like the Discord too. They want to be on the Discord. They don't want to be on the Telegram. I prefer the Telegram too. I prefer the Telegram, but it's for the people. I have to do it for the people. It's not me. It's not about what I want. It's about what the people want. So I give them options. Wherever is comfortable for you, you stay either on Telegram or on Discord. Whichever one you stay. The most important thing is that you are able to participate. That's all. So we're going to be able to see some profit at the end of this market. Today we're going to wait, and then we're going to take this trade and we're going to kill it together, guys. So let us be patient. This market, we are here, we are here. So in the next so if you're just Elham, you didn't join the class the last time, bro. It was explosive. You didn't join even the back testing. We have been doing some back testing real life trades. we've been doing a lot of back testing for a week now. We've been doing a lot of back testing, and I wish you were there to join. It's awesome. Seriously, it's awesome. It's awesome. I hope that you can be able to join. Hopefully tomorrow or this week. Just try as much as you can to join. It's awesome. Those who have joined have gotten a lot of benefits. It's okay. It's okay. I feel Telegram is faster with notices, but I missed today's notice. Okay, but thank God you're here. That's the most important thing. Also, try to join the. I don't know why I didn't get notice. That's why I missed today's class. Oh, really? I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happens. Also, I don't know what happened. It's okay. It happens like that sometimes, but maybe tomorrow try to join. The back testing is awesome. I'm sure by the time you join the back testing class, you're gonna be like, wow. I'm telling you, you're gonna be impressed. So impressed. I'm telling you the truth. You're gonna be so impressed. You're gonna be happy you joined. It's awesome. It's awesome. So guys, you're welcome to my stream, to our stream. This is Eham. I'm actually looking forward to the possibility of me and you streaming together. I'm actually going to try and find a software that can do that, allow two persons to stream together. Seriously, I really like to have you streaming with me one of these days. I really look forward to it. I can't wait. Seriously, I know it's going to be awesome. I like it when I get other people's perspective in the market, to see the market from a different perspective. It's so awesome. It makes me happy, Yeah, it makes me happy. I cannot wait. I am actually looking to bring people from the inner circle to live stream with me occasionally. Seriously, I cannot wait to do that. I'm actually going to try to um work on that to see if I can be able to get a software that can help me to do that. Two persons to stream together at the same time. It's going to be awesome, guys. So if you're just joining us, you're welcome. This is Millionaires FX. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, so that whenever we come live, I trade live most on the New York. The news, I trade the news like we always kill the news together. Elhan, were you here on the last NFP? Did you trade the last NFP with us? I think you were, right? We've been doing this like this. The last NFP, you can go and watch my stream on the last NFP. We modeled the market together, and it was awesome. It was awesome. We modeled the market together. So if you're just joining us, try to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. If you want to join our free Signal group, use the link in the description to join our free Telegram and our free Discord. So it's very, very awesome. It's very, very important that you do that. Um, I'm gonna also, I think I forgot to add the Telegram link to this channel. I think it's gone, so I'm gonna try to put it again. So if you're just joining us, you're welcome. You are welcome, guys. Guess I'm gonna have to do that later. Oh yeah, they tried, but it didn't work. So this time around, oh yeah, that's what they normally do. Do you know when it's time for the NFP, the platform literally hangs? Like seriously, can you believe that? Can you believe that? They don't want you to take trades. Can you believe that? When it's time for the NFP, the platform is hanging. Can you believe that shit? Wow. But guess what? We were still able to make money that day. They tried to scare me with disconnecting. Exactly. They tried to take me out of the market by disconnecting the MT4, but I still managed to place my trades that day. That's why I still have the MT4 on my mobile chart, on my mobile phone, and then I have it too on the on the computer. So when they block me from here, I go to the other channel and place the trade. Those people are crazy, guys. When it is time for the NFP, these people they do it intentionally. The platform literally hangs. The platform literally hangs. It stops working. Isn't that crazy, guys? Isn't that crazy? Oh my lord, these guys are crazy. It's awesome, guys. How Elham, yeah, you're another. They do it to me. They do it to me. They do it to me, guys. During the news or high impact news like this, the platform literally hangs. That's why sometimes before the news, I'm going to go and recheck it and make sure it's working again. I've set it up. Once it's time for that news, once everywhere is on fire, you cannot place the trade anymore. Everywhere is packed up. The system is frozen. I think that the market maker, they do the brokers, they're doing it intentionally so that people cannot be able to place trade. That's crazy, guys. I've never seen a thing like that in my life. That's kind of crazy. So so you're welcome, guys. If you're just joining us, please subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it if you subscribe. The profit was too big. Exactly, bro. Exactly. They were like, how are you going to take all this profit and walk away from here? It's not going to be possible for you to take all this money and walk away. So they were trying to stop me from taking the money, but I don't. I it's crazy. Seriously, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. Oh, I feel good when I come around here and see my team. Everybody is here. So, guys, this is the trend we are riding right now. So, and right now we are at a very significant point in this market. We are at a very significant resistance level on gold right now. This level at 1801 1801 or 1800 is a very significant level. 1800, just that's 1800. The level at 1800 is a very strong level. That's the reason why price is failing to break that level. It's a big level, so that level we are still trying to see. And now let me tell you guys what they normally do. Before the news, they begin to move the market in the opposite direction. Remember our secret hacks that I normally share. Remember the secret hacks that I normally share during the trading session. Remember the secret hacks that I normally share. So before the news, what they do is they begin to move in the opposite direction from the direction they intend to go, really. So when they start doing that, you know that okay, this is exactly where they're going. That's number one hack. So I'm giving you now a secret hack to actually know exactly where the market is going to go whenever there's a big or a high impact news. I'm going to be releasing some important trading secrets that can actually take your trading to the next level if you pay attention to it. So pay attention and you will learn a lot of things from me. I can assure you of that 100%. I can assure you of that. If you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX. The goal is to become a millionaire trader. If you are not a millionaire trader, then this is where you should be. This is where we make you to become a millionaire trader. That's the goal. That's where we are going, and I know that very soon we are all going to get there. That's my goal. I want to make sure that every of my team member is a millionaire trader. That's my goal. So that's my dream, and it's a lot of work, but we are equal to the task. We do the work and we do not talk. So today we are monitoring 4 pairs and think I'm going to make it 5, guys. I'm going to make it 5. The more we have, the more profit, right? Today we are going to see if we can trade 5 pairs together, and then let's see. People think it's impossible, but here we do it. Trading 3, 4, 5 pairs together and making profit from all of them. You can see it. You are going to see today how we do it, in real time. This is Millionaires FX, guys. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. If you're just joining us, you're welcome, guys. So tell us what you think is going to happen on this stream, on this news. Tell us what you think is going to happen. We've been riding this trend on gold for a while now. We've been riding this trend for some time now, and now we've gotten to a higher time frame resistance, and then we want to see what's going to happen there at 1800. We are looking at 1800 right now to see what's going to happen. So hopefully we're going to see some trading, some activity at 1800. Is are the sellers going to step in and push it down, or the buyers are still going to continue to be in control and continue to push it up? We'll find out. But however, at the end of the day, the goal is to make money, and I'm ready. I hope you are ready too, because in the next 32 minutes, right? The next 32 minutes, we're gonna be going for the kill. We're gonna be going for the kill. So we're gonna be going for the kill. It's gonna be time for us to make money from this market. So in the next 32 minutes, get ready, guys. Be ready for the action. Prepare your mind for the action. So as usual, we do not jump into the market before time. We're gonna wait to see what's gonna happen. We are not gonna jump in quickly. We are gonna wait to see what's gonna happen. So then we are gonna find our confirmation. The moment we find the confirmation, bang, we get in and make money. Say, i'm I'm in shower like market makers now. Gonna hurry though. Oh yeah, right. Oh yeah, go ahead, bro. You're gonna hurry, bro. It's time to make some money, some cheap, some money. So the market is at 1800 right now. So we want to see what's gonna happen. Are we gonna continue up, or the sellers are gonna come in and push it down? We don't know the impact of this news, but at the end of the day, we're going to find out very soon. Any moment from now, in the next 30 minutes, we are going to find out what's going to happen here, and we're going to take advantage of it, and we're going to make a lot of money from this market, hopefully, as usual. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. You can join our free Discord by using the link in the description. You can get free signals. You can get a lot of educational content. If you are new to trading, go and watch my streams. Go and watch my videos. Go and watch everything. It's going to help you to make you a good trader. It's going to help you. Okay, it's going to help you to make you a good trader. Go and watch my streams. Go and watch it. Okay, make sure you do. So in a short time, we're going to find out what's going to happen really. So guys, I'm back. Sorry for that little interruption there. Guys, I'm back. Guys, I'm back. So we're getting ready. In the next 25 minutes, it's gonna be NFP proper. Okay. So guys, we're gonna make some money in no distant time. This market is gonna be on fire very soon. So we're waiting. While we're waiting, if you're just joining us, tell us what you think is gonna happen. What are your thoughts? We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting to see what happens. In a short time, this market is going to be on fire, and we're going to be there to make money. So if you're just joining us, good morning, bro. Nukshan, you're welcome to my stream. You're welcome to Millionaires FX today. And we are getting ready for the NFP. Like I said, those who have traded before, who have traded with the news with us before, they understand how we roll. We follow the same principle. I am actually teaching you how to trade the news, how to go into any news and consistently walk away with profit. That is what we do here. You can, if you listen, if you pay attention, you can actually learn a lot of things from us. Okay. Hey Henry, I think they might drop gold to 1780 83 level before pumping to the upside. The daily time frame looks the daily time frame looks very bullish. This is same thing Elham is saying. However, there might be a stop hunt to deal with a lot of people in one direction. It's looking very bullish, and then the USD is looking very very weak. That's the same thing there. Maybe bullish dollar. Okay, okay. A lot of people are saying bullish, bullish. This house is so bullish today. What is happening? This house is so bullish today, and the dollar is so weak. The dollar is so weak today. So we don't know, the dollar is so weak today. However, we will find out very soon. In no distant time, we are going to find out. When you look at the currency strength meter, you find out that the dollar is so weak today. However, that could change immediately the news is released. That could change. So it is not a determining factor. The currency strength meter is not a determining factor. However, it is going to help us to find that confirmation that we need before we can find those trading opportunities that we need. So in the next about 21 minutes, we're going to find out what's going to really happen in this market. So if you're just joining us, you're welcome. This Millionaires FX, and I have my eyes on 5 pairs today. What we want to trade is 5 different pairs, and we're going to make money on all of them today. Some people think it is impossible. Some people don't think that it is possible for you to really make money on 5 pairs. What we do today is to do the things that defy trading, the things that people does not believe can happen. What we're going to make it happen today, and people are going to see it, and they're going to be shocked. Now, let me now tell you, I think that this market is going to go bearish, because from what I'm looking right now, from what I'm seeing right now, this market, they are already pumping this market to the upside right now. They are already pumping the market, pushing it bullishly, taking it up, 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 up. You can see, I already told you 15 to 30 minutes before the news release, they will start pushing it in the opposite direction to get people to think that we are going to buy bullish, bullish, bullish. But in reality, they have plans to go in the opposite direction. So that's exactly what I'm seeing in this market right now. All of them are looking very bullish. So I want to try and see if we can get that confirmation. But I think that we might see, wow, okay, it's beginning to look bearish right now. If it's looking bearish, that means during the news release, they are going to go bullish. If it's looking bullish, that means during the news release, they are going to go bearish. So let us keep waiting. Let us keep watching this market. Let's keep watching this thing and see what's going to happen. So, okay, so right now, the market is kind of quiet, so but in a very short time it's going to explode like crazy. So guys, let us get in the trading mood. I think plan A, AUD USD fake out, drop to 0.678 bank level, then pump to 0.6. Really, my screen is frozen? That's not possible. How is that possible? My screen cannot be frozen. My screen is not frozen. No, my screen is not frozen. Sorry, let's continue. So Eham is saying AUD USD. Okay, let me look at AUD USD. AUD USD fake out drop to 0.678. Okay, 0.678 bank zone. 0.67 0.678 bank zone. Okay, back to the support 78. Okay, that's here. Okay, 0.678. Okay, this is what you're talking about. Okay, and then now pump to where? 0.690. 0.690. Where are you? That's the next resistance. Wow. No, it's not possible. You cannot lose me. I don't think you lost me. The stream is fine. The stream is good. I don't think you lost me, guys. I'm here. I don't think you lost me. I don't think you lost me. I'm here, guys. I don't think you lost me. I'm watching the stream from here. It's fine. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong from my end. I don't think the problem is here. So as usual, we're going to trade it the same way we trade it. And you just need to refresh page. Refresh the page. The page does not. You refresh the live stream. Okay, it's good now. Okay, that's good. That's good. So um Okay, so guys, in about 15 minutes, we're going to see um even if this market is to continue bullishly, I think that it is going to first of all stop hunt people to the downside first of all, or it's going to do some, you know, it's going to stop hunt people to the downside first of all. That's my thought though. So, but I think as usual, we don't trade it without the confirmation. Once the news is released, I'm gonna get the confirmation and then I'm gonna let you guys know so that everybody can actually make some money from this market. Okay, so let's just be patient. Patience is key in this game. Let's wait and see. Like I always say to my students, to everybody, to my team, do not ever be there when the market opens. Do not be there when the news is released. When the news is released, make sure you are not there. Make sure you're not streaming. If you are streaming, you're going to be in serious trouble. Make sure you are not streaming when the market opens. Okay? When the news is released, make sure you are not trading when the news is released. Make sure you're not trading in the market when the news is released. Okay? Sorry guys, I have to juggle a lot of things in this my small head, and then sometimes it could be it can be very frustrating. Okay, so but it's fine. We are equal to the task. Okay, so that's it, guys. So if you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX. Just subscribe to this channel. Join our free Discord if you want to learn more about trading. If you want to get free signals, just join our free um, Telegram and our free Discord group. The link is there on the description. So if you join, you will appreciate. It's going to be the most important trading decision you would have made. So I know that if I know that there's a high possibility that this market is actually going to want to trend and get to its destination really quick, but then a lot of people are going to have their eyes fixed on the trend. Maybe they are just going to reverse this market and destroy people's account today. What do you think, guys? That is, anything is possible. Anything is possible in this business. So that is the reason why. That is the reason why we are not. That is the reason why we are actually taking our time to do the job right. Okay. So guys, if you're just joining us, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. This is Millionaires FX. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I come live, you're going to be notified. Very important. Then if you want to join our free Discord, use the link in the description. Today we are looking at 5 pairs. I'm looking to trade 5 pairs to make money from 5 different pairs. That's what I'm looking at today, guys. I'm looking at 5 different pairs. So if it's possible, we're going to take on all 5. Okay, 5 pairs. That's what they're targeting today. 5 pairs. That's what we're going to trade. On the last NFP, we traded 4 pairs. Whew. I got that one from Amin. He said that AU, that is AUD USD. Let me go look him up. Okay, say AUD USD has morning star. Is that a morning star? Has made a beautiful morning star pattern on the monthly time frame. Let's go look it up, guys. I like these things. You guys make me happy when you give me your idea. Okay, he said um let us take a look at the monthly time frame quickly and then morning star pattern on the monthly time frame. Bro, you went very far, really. What are you doing on the monthly time frame? You're only a retail trader. What are you doing on the monthly time frame? On the monthly time frame, bro, do you think I can understand this? Yeah, that's the beautiful morning star. That's the signal, the reversal, right? Yeah, this reversal pattern here, right? So to trigger that bullish move. Yeah, you're right on that one. I give it to you. You are right on that one, bro. You are right. But then let us make more sense to this chart. I do not like to go deep into this monthly time frame. They can actually um if you're not careful, they can make you look stupid. Sorry, guys. This Monday time frame, they can be very, very crazy. So, however, I like to work on the daily. Okay, so try to make it a bit clearer. Let's make it a bit clearer so that everybody can understand what we're saying. Okay, so here we have this market at yeah, yeah, exactly. No, we have I mean, I have no doubts if it is bullish. On the monthly, you could have this great setup, but it doesn't mean that all the way is going to be bullish, 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 bullish. You know, you can still have some downward downtrend in the, you know, can still have some downtrend in the midst of the uptrend. You know, if even if the overall trend is bullish, you can still have some, some slight corrections and all those kind of stuff. So right now, what do I think is happening, guys? In the next 10 minutes, we're going to find out, guys. So now, AUD/USD is looking very bullish, but it have broken that resistance. Let me confirm that resistance at 67,945. He broke that resistance at 67,945. Okay, let's take this man out. Okay, I think I need to take out some of these levels so that I can see clearly. I like to get the levels right, guys. The more if you get the levels right, the bulk of the job is already done. Okay, so AUD/USD is actually looking. It have broken the support at 66,884, and now it is heading to 68. It is heading to 66,890. That's where AUD/USD is heading right now. So, so a friend of mine said this NFP, nothing is super clean. Nothing is super clean, guys. That one got me, guys. He said nothing is super clean on this NFP. Isn't that funny? Very, very funny. So this is looking like it's bullish. This is looking like it's bullish. I'm trying to make so much sense of what is happening. However, the AUD/USD, there's a way we're going to do it to find what we want. Okay. I see there's a consolidation here. I'm taking my time, so let us see where it's going to break out from. But then, guys, be careful of the stop hunts. There will be dirty moves indeed. Of course, that is the reason why you're here. Our job is to. That's the reason why you're here. There will be dirty moves indeed. Yeah, right. I'm enjoying this stream, guys. You guys are very funny. Yes, it's a great bullish long-term signal. There will be dirty moves indeed. Of course, there will be dirty moves. As usual, last time there was a dirty move. The people that jumped in, they were all chopped. They were all chopped. And then I want to confirm the signal. Once we confirm the signal, then we can start looking for trading opportunities. So, as usual, guys, we don't jump into the market at the news release. We are going to take our time to relax and find the setup, find out what they're planning to do. I'll be sitting this one. I can't stop laughing. You guys are very funny. Now I'm trying to test my MT4 again to see if it's working right. You guys are, but if you guys want to take a trade, you can take. Sorry, my friend is actually making me laugh. This guy is supposed to be this guy is my mentor. He say, okay guys, so for this NFP, nothing is super clean. GBP USD looks good for sale though, but I don't think it will take anything because the setup are not 100% in my opinion. This is a trap month as well, so I think I will stand down. But if you guys want to take take a trade, you can take GU or G card for the sell with a tight stop loss. Use prosper risk management. That's what my friend thinks. That's what he thinks. But we are not like that. We are actually gonna walk away from this trade with profit. That's the goal. That's the reason why we sit down here. But however, we are not gonna force anything. We are not gonna force anything, guys. We are not gonna force anything. We are gonna take our time to relax and find out what they are planning, and then we are gonna at the end of the day walk away in profit. Okay, so let us chill and see what happens. My friend is so scared to trade this market. He said that nothing is super clean, and I don't blame him. The way the thing is setting up is looking very very funny, and it's so cool. Let me invite him to join the stream. Hopefully he can be able to catch some peeps. So guys, I can't stop laughing. 26, 4 more minutes, and then we're gonna get into this market, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. However, I'm very very um patient with this one. At the end of the day, no matter what they like, let them do. At the end of the day, I know that at the end of the day, we are likely going to end up bullish. We are likely going to end up bullish. The way I'm seeing this market, we are likely going to end up bullish. However, I'm not rushing. I will get that confirmation, and I will let you guys know when I want to pull the trigger, and then we are going to go in and mother this market together. However, do not let them fool you to thinking I am still thinking that there's a possibility of a bullish move. Do not be scared. You will see when the time is right. I will let you know. When it's time, once I confirm it, I will let you know. So don't worry yourself about that one, about them get about you getting caught. In the next 3 minutes, it's gonna be explosive. However, we're gonna stay calm, stay relaxed. I enjoy this moment, the excitement and the fun. So guys, that's it. So let's stay calm and wait. You see, gold is looking bearish right now, but before the news is beginning to look like it's going to drop. It could be a stop hunt. I do not know, but I do not want to get caught in the opposite direction, in the wrong direction. So I'm gonna wait and see. Let us wait and see. I have my eyes on all of them, and I'm watching them closely. The next 2 minutes is gonna be explosion everywhere. It's gonna be explosive, guys. But the patient dog also is always gonna win. I'm still watching this market to see what happens. I think we are going to see a bullish move during this NFP. It's beginning to set up for that bullish explosive run. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. So, but if they decide to go bearish, that's not a problem. Whichever way they go, we are going to trade it. All of them are beginning to look bearish right now. So we'll wait and see. just need to get the confirmation from the currency strength meter and across all the pairs, see what they're doing, and then we're going to put the trigger together. Okay, in the next 1 minute it's going to be fire and brimstone. So let's stay calm. It's almost time, guys. I'm still very bullish, guys. I'm still very bullish. I'm still very bullish. Okay, it's time now. Okay. It could be a stop hunt. 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 It could be a stop hunt, guys. It could be a stop hunt. I do not think it's a stop hunt, guys. I think it's happening across all these pairs. I do not think it's a stop hunt. The USD is so weak. Then why is it dropping crazily like that? No, it's not a stop hunt, guys. Let us sell. It is not a stop hunt. I do not think it's a stop hunt, guys. I do not think it's a stop hunt. I do not think it is a stop hunt. I do not think it's a stop hunt. It's really selling, bro. It's really selling. If it's a stop hunt, I do not think it's a stop hunt, guys. But this is kind of crazy, you know. This is kind of crazy. Okay, I said it. Okay. Yeah, it's really bearish, guys. It's really bearish. But the okay. Now, yeah, I got confirmation now. I got confirmation now. I got confirmation. It's really a sell. I got a confirmation now. I got confirmation. I got confirmation, guys. I got confirmation now. It's sell. It's gonna sell for real. I got confirmation now. I got confirmation. It's really a sell, guys. It's really a sell. It is not. It's really a sell, guys. I'm already in profit. Okay. So it's really selling. It's really a sell. I confirmed it. It's really a sell. I confirm it. I got confirmation. It's really a sell. So it's okay to sell now. I got confirmation. So it's good. It's good, guys. I got confirmation. I'm sure it's a sell. I confirmed it. Yeah, it's sold. Yeah, I've confirmed it. It's cool. I'm closing partials, guys. I'm taking profit. This thing can return any moment from now. So I want to be taking profit as it is running. I do not trust these people with my money. I'm taking profit along the line, guys. I'm taking profit. It's not done. It's not done. I think it's not done. It's not done. I don't think it's done. Could not just end in one candle. I don't think so. Okay, 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 okay. Make sure you're taking profit, guys. As you're getting the profit, make sure you're securing some profit. Do not leave the trade to run without taking profit, guys. It could be dangerous to your accounts. Make sure you are taking profit. It is not going to end with just one candle. I don't think so. So let us hold it. But make sure you are taking profit. Okay, okay, okay. The USD is on fire. I told you guys. I told you guys. It's crazy, guys. We're in green, guys. We're in green. Unemployment rate for USD came out as expected. So yeah, dollar strength. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. People don't understand all these things. These people don't understand all these things. This is how this thing works. My friend said I was wrong. He said I was wrong, bro. I don't. My friend, my friend said I was wrong. I don't make money because I'm right in the markets. The goal is not to be right or wrong. The goal is to make money. Okay, I might be wrong in my analysis, but did I make money? Yes, that's the most important thing. That's why we're here. We are here just to make money. Okay. He doesn't understand it. He does not understand this thing. I don't have to be right with my analysis to make money. Okay. See it. I'm in blues right now. You can see it, guys. You can see it now. I'm in blues right now. Okay. You can see it. I'm already in blues right now. So is the goal is not to be right. The goal is to make money. Okay. Nobody cares if you're right or wrong. We are here to make money. What we are here to do is to make money. Are you making money? That's all. That's all that matters. Okay. People don't understand. It's not about being right or being wrong. Yeah, it's not about being right or being wrong. It's all about making money. Are you making money? That's the simple question. That's the simplest question that I ask. It's not about being predicting right or wrong. Yeah, it's all about making money. Are you able to make money? That's the simple question. Once you're able to make money, that's all I care about. Okay. I'm not trying to prove that I know how to trade the market. At the end of the day, I walk away in profit. You are right, but you walk away in loss. I am wrong, but I walk away in profit. That is the goal. That's why we're here. I don't try to come here to prove my knowledge to anyone. No, that's not why we're here. What I'm here is to make greens. I want to walk away in blues. That's all. That's the reason why I'm here. Okay? People don't understand. They think that we're here to. I'm not here to prove that I know how to trade. I'm here to prove that I know how to make money. That's all I'm here to do. So people, if you don't understand that, then that's I don't know how to explain that. Okay, that's I don't know how to explain that. People don't understand this simple concept. It's not about being uh, right. It's all about making money. No, it's not a exactly, exactly. So the goal is to make money. Once I can make money, I don't care which that meter means not. Bro, you don't understand how it works, bro. That's what people always say. That's what I said before. That's what I used to say, that the meter means nothing. It's not true. If you know how to read the meter to use it to your advantage, you can actually make a lot of money. That's the truth. Okay, people don't say that it means nothing. You don't know how this thing works. If you don't, what you don't know, you don't understand. Okay, what you don't know, you don't understand. You cannot say that the meter means nothing if you don't understand how to read the meter. If you don't know how it works, you say it means nothing. I just used it to get a confirmation that we are going to get a sell, that it's really selling, is not a stop hunt. I actually got some of the confirmation from the meter. So guys, sorry guys, I was actually saying something. People think that for you to make money in this market, that you need to be right. That's the mistake they are making. You don't have to be right, because nobody is right 100%. Nobody owns this market. At the end of the day, all we are trying to do is to make some money, to make some profit. Okay, nobody owns this market. Some people think that, oh, we own this market. No, you don't own the market. Nobody can know exactly what is going to really happen when you are not the market maker. However, the strategy we have been using here consistently, we have been able to make profit consistently from every single news that we've traded. Right, we don't have to, we don't necessarily have to be the most to know everything about the market. No, but I'm looking at gold. Let me give you guys the levels that I'm looking at to take profit. Let me show you guys the level I'm looking at, guys, so your trades completely. I'm looking at this level here. I'm looking at this level here, guys. I'm i'm looking at this support here at 1776.95. That's the first point I'm looking. Once the price get there, I'm going to be taking profit. I'm going to walk away. I'm already in good profit, and I still want this market to continue to run. It's still going to run. It's still running in good profit, and I'm good with it so far. I'm smiling to the bank right now. So I don't care to be right. Did we make money? That's the most important question I have to ask you every single day. Did you make money? Simple as that, guys. Once you can answer that question, that is all I'm interested in. Not if you are right or wrong. I don't care if you're right or wrong. I do not care if you're right or wrong. I just care if you are making money or not. If you are not making money, then it doesn't make sense. That's all. Whatever analysis or thing you think you're doing is bullshit. I don't care about it. I only care if that thing is able to make you money. That's the most important thing. So Pedro said that the big candle will mostly likely get filled halfway before going back down. Is that what you think? Okay, we learned that from Pedro, but I'm looking at this swing point at for gold 1776 is the level I'm looking at to take profit. Once I get there, I want to close my trade in profit and walk away from this particular for gold. And then for Nasdaq, if it's likely going to hit that support at 11,675.60. 11,675.60. That's the level I'm looking at. So that's the level I'm looking at on Nasdaq, guys. This is where I'm looking to take profit. Once it gets to that support, you want to take money off the table. Or if it even gets close to that support, do not let it to get, because you might just touch it with a wick and reverse back. So now I want to check how much profit I've made so far, and I'm smiling to the bank right now. I'm not interested in I'm closing some of my trade in profit again, because I do not want to leave money on the table, guys. I do not want to leave money on the table. I do not want to leave money on the table. Okay, as the trade is running, I want to be taking profit, guys. I want to be taking profit. So it's very important that you know this. So right now we are in good profit. I'm smiling to the bank. What was your confirmation? Okay, guys. Okay, now you let's go to some advanced level shit, guys. Okay, he said he want to know my confirmation. Okay, I'll give you my confirmation. I'm going to give you my confirmation. First of all, before we take any trade, we don't just take the trade at the news open. First of all, I going to get the confirmation. First of all, that this thing is really correct. This price is actually going to move in that direction before I begin to ask anybody to trade it, before I even begin to get my own position in. And I use a series of confirmation in order to get that confirmation that truly this is not a stop hunt. This price is actually going to go in that direction. And you said that the currency strength meter does not work. It's nothing. It's not nothing, bro. You just don't know how to use it. If you know how to use it, then you will know that the currency strength meter is not nothing. It is actually giving you, passing to you a lot of powerful information that you can actually use to your trading advantage. So let me show you some of the confirmation that I use in my trade. First of all, I want to get confirmation that all the pairs. Sorry guys, I'm going to start taking profit on Euro USD very very soon. I'm going to start taking profit. So like I was saying, first confirmation is that I want to be sure that all the pairs, correlated pairs, are setting up the same way and they are doing the same thing. All the correlated pairs. What do I mean by correlated pairs? Correlated pairs are, if you have pair like Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, XAU USD, all those are correlated pairs. I want to be sure that they are all setting up the same way. Once they set up in the same way, and they are all moving together, once the news is released and they are all exploding in the same direction, that is confirmation that okay, this thing is actually moving in this direction. Then the one that is going to help you to know if it's a stop hunt or not is from the currency strength meter. If you look at the currency strength meter and you see that these pairs, they are all going to the downside, they are all bearish, they are all shooting to the downside, they are all looking bearish, but then the currency strength meter is not looking bearish. That is a red flag. That's to tell you that you want to be careful with that particular market. Okay, am I making sense? So if the currency strength meter is at that point, let's assume all these pairs are trading against the USD, AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, XAU USD. They are all trading against the USD. Sorry, they are all trading against the US dollar. Now, if you look at the currency strength meter and they are bearish, or they are bullish, and the USD is having so much strength on the currency strength meter, then you know that somebody's about to get stop hunted on the opposite side of the market. You need to understand how to read these things. Once you understand how to read these things, you can begin to take advantage of it to your advantage, and then you're not going to say that it is what do you call it just now? You can you're not going to say that that you're wrong. No, you have actually gotten your confirmation from the pairs, the way the correlated pairs, the way they are behaving from the currency strength meter. This is one thing that we do every single day. Go and check my trade on. Go and check my trade on. What they call it on the last NFP. Go and check the CPI news. I have traded a lot of news. Go and check all of them. We all walk away in profit. So how do you think that I'm going to be wrong? When I'm always doing it every day, every day, every day, every time. I'm trading it live. I'm not going anywhere to go and tell you that, oh, look at the signal. No, I'm trading it live here with you, and I am doing it live. I'm performing it live for you to see. Right? I'm doing it live for you to see. How can you think that it's not true? That or maybe I'm not, or maybe that it's wrong. It's not wrong. If it doesn't work, I'm not going to use it. Everybody here knows that I use the currency strength meter to get a confirmation when I want to trade. Once all of them align together, when all of them align together, just right now, how did I get the direction with the currency strength meter? When I look at the currency strength meter before, that was why I did not go into the trade. When I look at it at the beginning, the USD was very, very weak. It was flat. There was no strength in the USD, as you can see. At first, it had only one bar on it. So immediately the news was released, the immediately the news was released, guys, the USD got full immediately, and then the green arrow was now pointing upwards, showing you that the USD have full strength. Then look at the other pairs that are trading against it. Look at all of them. They are all looking very, 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 very weak. What I'm taught you right now is some next level shit. You're supposed to pay me for that, but it's okay. You're my friends, and a lot of people here are my students. I release all this information for free. Before you become um before you can begin to trade like this, you need to know what you're doing to an extent before you can begin to trade this market and observe it like this. I cannot trade the news and lose. I cannot go into the market to trade the news and lose and come out empty-handed. No, when I go into the market, I'm walking away with profits. That's what I'm doing every time I go into the news. The same thing I do all over and over and over and over again. And at the end of the day, I'm walking away in profit. So that's it, guys. That's it. So we don't have to talk too much about it. We don't have to emphasize too much about it. If you think that it doesn't work, go and check my other streams where I've traded the news live. All of them, we all walked away in blues, walk away in good profit. The last NFP, I made about $8,000 in a couple of how many minutes? How many minutes? It wasn't even up to 30 minutes. I made about $8,000. You can go and watch the stream. It's there live on my YouTube channel. So this is the things people say they want to trade the news, and they're going there to gamble. I don't gamble. Okay, I don't gamble. I want to get that confirmation when I'm sure that I'm going in. I'm going in there to kill it. I'm going there to make money. So that's it, guys. So this market, do you think that it is done? Do you think that it is done? I do not think that it is done, really. I'm actually looking at, it's supposed to at least get to GBP USD GU, supposed to get to at least 1.20749. That's a very good level, a very good significant level. So I'm going to keep holding my position. I'm going to keep holding my position right now. I'm still going to keep holding my position. I'm not going to close them yet. I'm still hoping that it's just going to do a little bit of consolidation, and then it's going to continue to the downside. Okay, so for those that are holding onto AUD USD, please make sure you take partial profits. Do not hold all your position and begin to expect to the market. Listen, let me tell you something. The market does not pay the same way every time. There are times when the market is going to pay so much money. New York Open, yeah, exactly, bro, exactly. During the New York Open, it's going to move again. It's going to consolidate now until New York Open, and then it's going to continue to the downside. So I'm going to hold my position. So most people think that so I'm holding my trade on AUD USD. I'm looking at this level at 0.6 0.66862. 0.66862. That's the level I'm looking at on AUD USD. On gold, I told you guys I'm looking at the level at 1776.79. A lot of people are going to get scared now. They're going to start closing up their positions because of the pullbacks. But that is not what you should do as a trader right now. That's why I say when the market gives you a lot of money in the news, make sure you take money out of the market. I've taken some good profit out of this market right now, so I'm still holding the rest because I know that it's going to be consolidation for at least another 30 minutes, and then the move is going to complete. It's going to continue to the downside, and then it's going to fall to the ground. Like Elham said, New York open, then this market is going to continue to the downside, just like the last time, just like the last NFP. I think we traded it together and it was awesome. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. This is Millionaires FX. You can always join our free Discord, join our free Telegram, and so that's it, guys. So that's it. This market is going to consolidate for a while, guys. So you might want to brace up for that for another 30 minutes. We're going to be doing this back and forth for another 30 minutes. Okay? Then the market is going to continue to the downside. So let us be let us be let us be advised to know what to expect. So guys, you have to brace up. Not every market will give you so much money. Some people will say, "Oh, last time I made $10,000. Now I want to make $10,000." No, you're going to take what the market gives to you and walk away. There's always another day. You can always come back and make more money. And this market, this trade is not done. It's actually going to scare out those retail traders who have actually joined this market without really knowing without really knowing exactly if price reaches 1905 on Nasdaq. 1905. Hmm. I think it might. Do you think it will get all the way up there? I do not think it will get up to. It might. I don't know. I don't know. It might. It might get up the way up there. I don't know. I do not know. But let's wait and see. I called the sell trade in my group. Called the NFP fall from the top. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's nice, bro. That's nice. Let me tell you. You are the boss. I also called the NAS 100. No, I'm not. I'm not. I never doubted your ability. You are the boss. I never doubted your ability. All I'm saying is, I I am not usually an early bird when it comes to the news. I must get the confirmation before I trade the news. In fact, since I started to do it that way, I've actually made consistent gains. It's not I'm not doubting your ability to actually predict the market, to predict the market where it's going. I know that you have the ability. I know what you can do. What I'm saying is that, like, sometimes when the market is going to spike in one direction and move in the other direction, sometimes I don't. That's why there are so many things that can happen to you. There's a slippage. The broker can take that opportunity and mess up your account for you. So because of all those things, that's the reason why I actually do not usually, I like to get a confirmation before I get into the market. Once I get the confirmation, I can now bank my money. It's okay to be late. It's not a bad thing, but some people can actually get it really really good. I used to do that in the past, but it is not profitable because sometimes I get a slippage, the broker can actually there was a day we caught this nice NFP from the top, and it fell to the ground over 400 pips, and it was so nice. And then a couple of weeks later, we got this other trade, and set up the same way again. But before then, what it did was it spiked in the opposite direction. It spiked over 100 pips in the opposite direction first of all, and then it took everybody out. It took me out. It gave me a lot of drawdown. So, but since I use confirmation to trade the news, I've actually been in consistent profit. I have not actually taken any loss. As you can see, I'm always trading it live. I'm always trading it live. I have not been taking loss like I do not want to find myself gambling. I'm risking real money, so I want to be very very careful with what I'm doing in the market. That's how I approach the market right now. That's how I approach the market right now. So that's it. So that's it. So I hope you understand. No, it's not like we cannot get it from the top. It's not like we cannot be able to trade from the top. No. But the approach we use is the approach that can guarantee. What I'm talking about is an approach that can guarantee consistent wins. You can always come into the market and recreate it and grow the account. Not making money today and losing it the next one. No, that's not how I trade the news. If I'm coming to the news, I want to be safe. I want to make money. I don't want to give back the money I've already made from the previous trades. No. So this is it. This is how we've been rolling for some time now, and we've been consistently profitable. In the last NFP, I'm telling you the truth. You can go and watch the stream. I actually shared the result live with my student, with the people who were live with me. We made $8,000 in this market. We traded 4 pairs at the same time. 4 pairs. Today is 5 pairs on our radar. I did 160% on my account in a few seconds because I know what I'm doing. Of course, I never doubted your ability to trade. You're good. I never said you're not good. You're good. I never doubted your ability. You're good. You are good. If you're not good, I'll never invite you to the stream. I know you're good. If you're not good, I'll never invite you to the stream. I actually lost my Discord account. I lost my Discord account. I could not find the login for I don't know, and then I could not have access to it anymore. That's the reason why most of my team, they are not here, because I actually created a new Discord, and it's like I'm just starting afresh, and it's so annoying. But it's fine. It's the process. It's fine. It's fine. So that's it, guys. So we're gonna wait till New York Open. We're gonna wait till New York Open, and then we're gonna ride this thing to the ground. Hopefully, okay. We're gonna wait till New York Open, and then it's gonna continue. We're gonna ride it to the ground. So that's it. You're welcome, guys. I really appreciate everyone that joined. Elham, Pedro, Nick. I'm actually trying to see the possibility where we can actually stream together. Where we can actually stream together. Two, three persons can stream together at the same time. I think that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna work on it, and then we can actually do this trade live during the New York session, and then we can always stream it together. That's what I'm actually Sorry guys, I had to use the restroom. I'm back. Okay, so we're still riding this man to the down to the ground as usual. We are not stopping as usual. The retail traders, the amateurs are scared and they have closed their trades and they have run away. But here we are not scared. We are always, we are always what we are because we are never, we are always what we are, guys. We hold it until we take the money. We are not scared to take the money. Okay, we are not scared to take the money and walk away. So that's what I'm looking at. I've already told you guys what I'm looking at. Let's wait until after New York session. We are likely going to see more activities in this market, more movement in this market. This NFP did not. Hopefully, the move is going to complete after the open of the New York session. The news is going to complete. Hopefully, maybe I might even add more position to it and ride it to the ground. Hopefully. I do not think it is done yet. No, I do not think so. I think that we're going to see that move continue. The market is going to likely continue to the ground and drop more. I'm thinking of adding more positions, but let's wait a bit and see if it's going to go back up a little bit so that if I add it, I'm going to ride it to the ground. They're actually trying to allow the New York open people to join and make some money from this market. They want them to join and make some money, so they normally start it and then they hold it until the New York Open, so that those people can join also. Guys, if you're just joining us, please you can always subscribe to this channel. If you enjoy the stream, you can always join us during the New York session and the news. We always trade it live and we make a lot of money from this market. Okay, if you want to join our free signal room, you can always use the link to join our Discord. There I post free signals in there. So that's it. So we are not done. We are riding this thing to the ground. We are riding it to the ground. It's not. We are not done. We are not being scared out of the market. No. We are going to wait. During the New York Open, the market is going to continue to fall to the ground. Okay. So I want to take a closer look at AUD USD. So there. So guys, we're gonna wait it out. We're gonna wait it out, guys. We're gonna wait it out. We're not running away. We're gonna wait it out. So we're waiting for the New York Open so that we can actually ride this man to the ground. Okay. In the next 20 minutes, the New York Open is gonna be the New York Open. The next 20 minutes. So the New York Open, we're likely going to see some activities in this market. We're going to see some real movement again to finish up this move that we actually started. Even this Nasdaq is supposed to drop to the ground, so we'll wait to the New York Open and then we're going to ride it. As you can see, it is 5 different pairs. So guys, we're still waiting to see what happens. It's so cold over here. The weather is crazy cold, guys. The weather is so cold over here. It's crazy cold. I think it's gonna get worse in the coming weeks. So we're just bracing up for the winter. So honestly, I do not like winter really. But I do not have a choice. So in the next two minutes, the first 15 minutes candle should be over. The next 15 minutes candle will be out, and then we're likely gonna get more pullbacks, and then we're gonna get likely gonna get more pullbacks. So we're waiting, guys. It's patience. You know how you know how we roll. This is a game of patience. If you're gonna win, you wanna be very very patient, guys. If you're not patient, you cannot win in this business. This is a business that requires a high level of patience. You have to relax and see. So in about 30 minutes, we're going to get head into New York Open. Then hopefully we are going to see some bearish momentum kicking into this market again. So we have to wait it out, guys. We don't have a choice, but we have to wait it out until it is done. So when it is done, um, during the New York Open, hopefully more activity is going to step in, and then hopefully this market is going to drop to the ground again. So let us be patient, guys. That's it. This is how it is. The last NFP, this was exactly what happened. This is also another NFP. It is also the same thing, guys. So let us be patient, okay? They are trying to kick out the the people who don't the retail traders. They are trying to kick out the retail traders from the market. They're trying to scare them out of the market, why they are going to collect new orders and also give opportunity to the New York Open traders to step in and push this market. Hopefully they are going to bring in some money to push this market down further. And there's something people don't know about this high impact news. Let me now give you guys another trading secret. I told you guys I'm going to be releasing the trading secrets as they come into my thoughts in the course of this live session. Whenever there's a high impact news like the NFP, the impact does not end in the one day. Usually it will continue to drop for like 2 days. The market is going to continue to drop for like 2 days before it usually continues to the next day before the effect of that news is begins to decline from the market. So, but those who don't know, they are so scared and they're going to take profit and run away from the market and think that it's done, it's done. Well, that's not really the case sometimes. I'm thinking of adding some positions to the GBP USD. I just added some position to GBP USD, and because it just hit a resistance, a bank zone right now. It just hit a bank zone right now at it just hit a bank zone right now. That's why I added position at 1.22005. That bank zone at 1.22005. So I added more position to it, and then I'm gonna wait. I added more position to the GBP USD because it just hit a bank zone at right now. So I believe that the bank zone is gonna hold. And I'm still holding my position, guys, until New York Open. Hopefully, we're going to see more activities to the downside. We're going to see this market being pushed to the downside again. More sellers are going to step in to push it. In the next 10 minutes, the New York Open is going to we're going to it's going to be the New York Open. So hopefully, we'll see what happens. So, guys, man, so in 10 minutes, you're going to see what happens. So we have to wait. If you guys like, I can play. So you know me, I'm gonna play. So in 7 minutes, guys, in 7 minutes, we are gonna see, hopefully, see some activities. So in the next 6 minutes, we are gonna likely get that reversal. The market is gonna continue to the downside, hopefully.
Umarım acelen yoktur. Ben seni almam için biraz zamana ihtiyacım var.
Sorun değil. Sen işini hallederken ben de biraz daha para kazanırım.
Nasıl yani?
Şu anda telefonumdan ticaret yapıyorum.
Finansçı falan mısın? Çok havalı.
Pek sayılmaz.
So in the next 1 minute, we're going to get into New York Open, and hopefully we'll see what happens. If that bearish move will resume again. Okay, if it's time, so let's see what happens if some Americans are going to bring in. Let's see if some sellers are going to push this market down again. Yes, I did. Okay, guys, it's New York session, and we are beginning to see some activities in the market again. So hopefully the market is going to continue. Hopefully the activity is going to continue. So let us wait it out and see. It's New York Open, guys. So we're waiting to see. We want to see some activities, and we know that very soon, hopefully, some activities is going to come into this market any moment from now. So hopefully, we can be able to make some money again. This market can continue to the ground, can fall to our take profit targets. So we're waiting, guys. I'm still waiting, guys. I'm still waiting to see what's gonna happen. Yeah, gold didn't retrace. The rest is retracing heavily. But let's wait and see. It could be a manipulation. They are trying to scare people to close their position. I think that's what they're doing. Wow. This is still looking very bullish. They are looking strongly bullish, guys. Very bullish. But it's okay. I want to wait till the next 45 minutes, to the first 15 minutes candle is finished. Then we'll see. The next 15 minutes candle need to be exhausted. Then let us see what happens. If they are really, really, really intending to push this market to, okay. Let the 15 minutes candle finish. We'll know if it's a manipulation, and then we'll see if it's going to continue up or it's going to start going down. But I do not think that it is done. So I do not think it is done really. I do not think it is done. I still think that there's more potential for it to continue to the downside. Because it have not actually made the move for the it have not actually made the New York session move. And I know it's definitely going to make the move. I know it's going to make the move from the New York session. So we'll see. We shall see, guys. But I'm still very bearish. I'm not closing. I'm still holding my position, guys. I'm not closing. I'm holding till I'm gonna hold and keep watching to see what's happening. Okay. Yes, I have an alert ready on NASA. I learned my lesson keeping sell limit and buy limit on indices without proper stop loss. That's kind of cool, you know. Yeah, if you use the sell limit, it's going to help you to be disciplined. It's good. The sell limits help you to be disciplined. It's a good it's good, guys. It's good. Another way to do it is to use timing. Either you use the sell and buy limits, or you use the timing. It's very, very important. It's going to help you to stay off the bad signals and bad trades. Okay, so during the New York session, we're going to wait and see this New York session if this market is going to continue to the ground. I don't think that it is done really. I do not believe that this market is actually done like this. No, I do not think it is done. I do not think in any way, any way, shape or form, that the market is done, that it's going to start going up. This is NFP, bro. It didn't even give us 2 or 3 candles to the downside. It didn't even do that, and it's going to reverse just like that. No, I'm holding. I do not believe that it is done. I'm going to hold on to it, and I'm going to see how this is going to play out. I think that somebody is manipulating us to scare people to close their position. That's what I think. So let us wait in the next 4 minutes. Let's see if the momentum of the US dollar is going to come back. See, guys, each time I try to take off my clothes, the code begins again, and then I'm forced to wear it again, even though it's making me uncomfortable. It's so cold here. It's so cold out here, guys. So cold out here. It's so cold. So you can see it, guys. I'm still holding this thing to the ground, and it's dropping again. Gold is dropping. Let's see. Gold is dropping to the ground. So let's see how, if other ones are going to follow through. So let's see in the next 3 minutes during the New York, after the first 15 minutes is gone. You see, this thing is all psychological, guys. They are going to hold it. They know that if a lot of people are waiting for New York Open and expecting this market to drop during the New York Open, but they are not going to let it drop. They're going to hold it for 15 minutes. That 15 minutes is going to make people give up. They will say, after all, it's already New York Open. Why is the market not dropping? A lot of people that they want to close their trade will now be forced to start closing. You understand? They will not close. When they close it, you will now see the market will now begin to explode. Do you understand now? Do you understand the game, guys? Hmm? So that's why sometimes during New York Open, people are expecting the market to move. Sometimes they will hold the market, they will not allow it to move for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And then a lot of people are frustrated and they leave the market. When you are frustrated and you leave the market, you see the market will drop. And you'll be like, oh, I just left the market. Immediately I left the market started to drop. Do you understand? I don't know if you understand this little tricks. That's the leaks the tricks they play with your patience as a retail trader. That's what they do. So but in this one we are not going anywhere. We are going to hold it out. We are going to stay strong and we're going to hold our position and believe that it's going to do what we want it to do. Okay? But I do not believe that the NFP is going to be just one candle and that's it. It's going to just start retracing. No, I don't think it's going to be like that. I think that that's momentum is going to continue to the downside. It doesn't just make sense for it to just be one candle and that's it. No, it doesn't make sense. So I'm going to hold it, guys. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to watch and see what happens. So it's remaining 2 minutes for the New York Open. Hopefully we can see more activities in this market. 2 minutes for the New York Open. So we'll see. I'm not closing. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to wait and see what happens. Now it's all about timing. It's all about patience. At this point, see, you have the patience to hold on to the to hold on to this trade, even when it is not looking so good. Because right now I'm in red now, and I'm hoping that it's going to retrace so that I can actually go back in blues and close the remaining positions in blues. So that's it, guys. But so far we are not complaining. We are fine. And I've taken partials, so I'm not complaining. I'm going to hold this one too, so that it is going to get in blues too, so that I'm going to close all of them in good profit. No, they are actually playing. They are actually playing with the patience of retail traders. That's what they are doing right now. They're playing with the patience of people to see if people are going to be forced to close their positions and believe that the market is done. But we'll see. This is 5:45. Let us see the next 15 minutes candle if it's going to come in with some real momentum. Let us see if the next 15 minutes candle is going to come in with some real momentum. That's what we're going to wait and see. Let us wait and see if the next 15 minutes candle is going to come in with some real momentum. All of them they are just playing the same game. They don't want to move. They're just there in one position looking at us, and we're looking at them like we're not going anywhere today. They're like, we're not going anywhere today. Oh hell no, we're not going anywhere today. Yeah, that's what they're doing, guys. Oh god, today is crazy. Okay, we'll wait it out. We'll wait it out, guys. That's all we can do right now is to wait it out. The USD have not actually picked up any momentum since then. Can you believe that, guys? The USD have refused to pick up momentum. Once it picks up momentum, it's game over. And they know it. They know it. That's why they are holding it down. Holding it down. They don't want it to move. So once the USD is picks up momentum again, now everybody's going to smile again. So let's wait and see. So they know that a lot of people are probably short, and a lot of those people that are short are going to be frustrated. The more they keep holding this market like this, the more they keep holding it down, a lot of people are going to be frustrated. However, that's the reason why they are doing it. This thing you're seeing is intentional, okay? To actually mess with the patience of the retail traders. They mess with your patience to the extent that you are scared and that this market is actually not going to go your way, and then they are actually going to, um, begin to drop it later. So that's it. The USD have not picked up any kind of. We will run away when we got the profit. Retailers can run empty-handed now to pay more taxes. Oh yeah, exactly. They are so it's crazy, guys. It's crazy the way the market is actually the momentum. The USD have not picked up a single momentum since just since the news release. Not even a single momentum. Not even a single momentum. It have not picked up a single momentum. So we'll see. We will see, guys. We will see. We'll wait it out. Our job is to wait it out, guys. We'll wait it out and see. But I'm still very, very bearish, guys. I'm still very, very bearish. I don't care what they do with the markets. My bias is still bearish. I don't care what they do. There's no way the USD can just give us one candle. I'm seeing the manipulation. The USD have never picked up a single momentum ever since then. It's just that first initial momentum, that first push. This is crazy. This is another. This is a next level manipulation. I've never seen anything like this, but it's crazy. But it's fun. It's fun. It's okay. We have the patience. We are going to wait it out with them. I think by 6 p.m. let's see if we can get some real momentum step in. Okay, by 6 p.m. in the next 12 minutes, let's see if we the next 15 minutes candle is going to do the magic, because all you need right now is just one single candle to just hit your TP, and then that's it, guys. Just one big candle is enough, because we have not actually gotten that New York session move that we want. And the New York session move, listen, guys, the move of the New York session have not happened. And for the fact that this market have been retracing, it means that the New York session move is going to be down. It's going to continue that movement that I've actually started since. So it's going to continue to finish it. So that's it. Let's wait and see. So I'm patiently holding and see what's going to happen. Uh, but once the USD picks up momentum again, it's game over. It's game over. So okay, the USD is picking up momentum slowly. I can see it is picking up momentum slowly again. You can see now it have added two more bars now. Let us see if we're going to get that green arrow. If we get that green arrow, then that is it, guys. If we get that green arrow, that's it. It's game over for you, for them, guys. That means somebody is going to make some real money today. Okay, let us see, guys. Let us wait and see what happens. I'm in red, but I know that I'm going to be in blue at the end of the day. That's what I'm waiting. I'm in red right now, but it's fine. I'm going to be in blue by the time. I just want to see that one or two candle. Just one or two is enough, and that's it for the day. You are good. We'll go and celebrate a great win today. Just one or two green, red, huge candle is one. Is what I need now. Just one good one is enough. If I get one like this one here, another one here to the downside, oh, I think that's it. We celebrate, guys. The manipulation today is next level. There's a stage where you trade and above. You begin to start to develop shock absorber for fear, for the fear of the market. It gets to that point, you are no longer worried about losses, and you have a shock absorber for fear. So you just trade and you just follow your plan, follow what you know in the market, and just enjoy the process. That's it. Okay, right now the market has started to move slowly, so let us see that if the next 15 minutes candle is going to do the magic for us, and then get us paid quickly so that we can go and smile. Okay, guys, the next 15 minutes candle is going to, let's see if it's going to give us get us paid so that we can go smile. We can go smile, guys. So that's it. Let's wait. So when I'm trading, I don't like to look at the numbers running. It can make you feel like what's happening. I'm losing money. I just allow the trade to run instead. I watch the candlesticks, not the money. I don't care about the money. So, but I'm positive that we are going to see this bearish move, to the downside continue. So in the next 7 minutes, we are going to get that candle that we are yearning for. Hopefully, that is going to be the game changer. If you give us one good move right now, we are going to smile to the bank today. Okay. Okay, it's beginning to drop slowly right now, guys. Can you see that? At some point, you're going to think that it's not going to happen, but we are seeing some kind of red stepping in again. Right now, red is a good thing. Experience also help you to survive in this business, guys. Okay, okay, it didn't trigger your sell limit. I was looking at this level. This level would have been nice on NAS. I thought it would have gotten up to this level at 11947.67. Around that level, that place that makes sense to sell from. A good level to get a re-entry. But I don't think it's really gonna happen. Wow, this market, are you sure you really have plans to? Sometimes they begin to make you to doubt yourself. So in the next 5 minutes, we'll see the next 15 minutes candle. Let's see if it's going to bring about, if it's going to happen. Okay. The next 5 minutes, let's see if the next 15 minutes candle is going to bring any kind of good news into this market. In the next 4 minutes, we're going to see. Sometimes you need. I said you need a high level of. But Nasdaq pays a lot of money if you know how to trade Nasdaq. There was a time when Nasdaq pays a lot of money. Seriously, if you know how to trade it, if you can get actually the stop can be high, but if you know how to trade it, if you can get a good entry on Nasdaq, wow, it could make you crazy amount of money, insane profits. Could make you insane profits. In the next 2 minutes, let's see what happens. Oh, guy, you're so crazy, yeah. You're so crazy. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. In Nasdaq, if you're trading Nasdaq, you need a very good stop loss, a high stop loss to trade it. But interestingly, those are the ones that most of the professional traders like to like profitable traders. That's where they like to trade. Trade a pairs like Nasdaq can pay you quickly. That's what they want. The one that can make you quick money. Can we say that this market is really done? Is this how we ended the NFP, guys? I don't understand what's happening, guys. It's so boring today. Oh Lord God, this is crazy, guys. This NFP is kind of whack, guys. It's really whack NFP. I think I'm gonna have to accept my losses and walk away today. Take this, take the little profit I made and walk away. But I'm gonna be mad when I close this trade now. It's gonna start running in my direction. That's the annoying part. When I close this trade now, it's gonna start running in my direction. That is the annoying part. That's the part that's gonna hurt me so much. If I close this trade, it's gonna start moving in my direction. I know, and that's the annoying part because we've not seen the New York open. We've not seen that activity here. Like, oh my lord, this market is so annoying. So annoying. Exactly. That's exactly what they want you to do. They hold it until you get tired and you have to be forced to close it. I think I'm gonna for doji. It have happened so many times. If I close this trade and walk away, then you're gonna see this trade is gonna end up in huge. It's gonna drop like crazy, and then I'm gonna be like, "Whoa! If I had known, I would have held on to it." Maybe I'm gonna place a stop and I'm gonna walk away, and then I'm gonna check. I'm gonna be checking it out later slowly, and then you're gonna see it's gonna end up in profit. I know, of course, I know it always happen like that. I'm going to have to place some kind of stops, give it a little bit of air to breathe, and then I'm going to have to walk away. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Because I know that it's going to drop. It's going to drop. It's going to end up in blue. I know for sure. I know that for sure. But what they're trying to do right now is to make sure that everybody is cleaned out of this trade, and then when everybody is kicked out, you are going to see the move will continue. That's kind of insane. That's kind of crazy, guys. Right? I'm going to hold on to it, and then I'm going to walk away so that when I come back and check it later, I know it would have been in profit, in good profit by then. 17. Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're trying to force people to close. I know. Yeah, you can see it started to drop slowly. That's what they're trying to do. They're just trying to force people to close the market. I know. What I was waiting to do is I'll just place a stop that is a little bit far, give it some air, and allow it to drop. By the time you check it, maybe in the next 1 hour or 30 minutes, you'll be short of time. So I know about this thing. So I don't worry myself when it start happening like that. It's already moving. So let's see if it's going to continue to the downside. Of course, that's what they are hoping on. They are hoping on the fact that they still have enough time, so there's no need to rush and push the market. They know, yeah. I know how these things work. Of course, we know how we roll. We always do it together every day. You see, it have started now. If I had closed it, you see, it have started to move. If I had closed it, after closing it, you're gonna start regretting. If I had known, you would have left it open. Okay, all these pairs are beginning to drop in strength. So, okay, let's see. I'm just gonna place a stop loss and wait for it. I'm almost in blue again. It's starting to move now. I'm almost in blue, so I'm good now. So let's see. I'm gonna place a stop loss and then I'm gonna walk away and allow it to make me some money. Okay, I've already set the stop, so I just allow you to run. Okay, I will just close the stream, go and eat, and do what I have to do. I'll come back later and check. I know by then it should be okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to sign out right now. Okay, see you on the next one. Have a nice evening. Take care of yourself. Already, I placed the stops in a very good level where they're not going to easily get heat, and then I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'm just going to eat and do what I have to do. Okay, okay, guys, I'll see you.